In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to find posts, categories, tags, comments, or user IDs in WordPress. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had to know a specific WordPress post ID, page ID, category ID, tag ID, comment ID, or user ID? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find these IDs very easily. First, let's find the post ID. Just navigate to a post, and in the URL, you can see the post ID is displayed here, the same way you can find the page ID. Just open a page, and in the URL here, you can see the page ID. Now, for the category ID, navigate to the category. I'm going to open this category. And here in the URL, you can see the category and tag ID. Next is the comment ID. Navigate to the comments. Then on the comment you want to find the ID of, click on Edit. And in the URL here, you can see the comment ID. Now for the user ID, go to Users, then click on All Users. Click on Edit under the user you want to see the ID of. And in the URL here, you can see the user ID. And lastly, to find the author ID, go back to Users, and you can see the posts published by that user. Just click on this number. And in the URL here, you can see the author ID. This is how you can find posts, categories, tags, comments, or user IDs in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.